Hey YouTube, it's your girl Miss Ari21 and I'm back with another YouTube video. I know it's been a very long time since I made a YouTube video, so if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're not new to my channel, I'm officially back, so I miss you all. A lot has changed in my life since I did my last YouTube videos. I am a mother of 3 now. Back when I first started my YouTube channel, I had no children. So my life is pretty interesting. I have a lot to share with you all, and I hope that you all will be excited. I'm going through this journey with me. So the platform of my channel would be catering to weight loss, beauty, daily vlogs, like a day in the life with my children and things of that nature. But mainly, what you would see more of is like more of the weight loss and health related videos. I mean, at a time like this, everyone's kind of at home, eating, piling on extra pounds and things of that nature. So I figured, why not, instead of sitting home, gaining weight, stressing about everything that's going on, why not do something positive? Why not come out of the situation a different person, a better person, motivated, things of that nature. And I figure, what better way than to take you all with me on this journey. So if you like those type of videos and that type of content, then hey, I'm willing to give you all my best shot and take you all on this journey with me. Hopefully encourage some of you along the way. Like I said, in a time like this, it's better to just come out on top than to sit at home and dwell in it and feel sorry for yourself, or live in fear, living your life in a bubble. Just make the best out of situations like this. Enjoy your kids, enjoy your family. Give it all that you got. Give it the best that you have. You all have a lot of great content to look forward to. I can't wait to share it with you. So I guess that you can call this my first official intro video. It's crazy because I've never done that in the past. I've always been kind of camera shy, so this is all going to be a new thing for me. And I hope you all stick it out with me. So stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully I can drop that tomorrow. I hope to be doing like a meal prep video. So if you like that type of content, come and tune into my next channel tomorrow. Bye.